My name is Kelsey and I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. My shop is Kelsey's One Posh Stop and I will link it down below. Sorry if I look a little bit crusty, but I just came from the gym and I just got my package, which is a mystery box from the Deal Queen. I am so excited because I love her YouTube channel and I know that she knows what's up. I think I paid about $50 plus shipping and tax, so 60 something was my total. I think she said there were supposed to be like 5 to 6 items and I have not opened it yet, so I'm really excited to see what I got. It just got delivered today. I think it took her like 2 days to ship it maybe, and then it got to me really quickly. It was 2 days shipping. So I am gonna open it up. I am so excited. So let's see what I got. So first, everything is packaged, it looks like in one bag together. Let me open it up. So this is a sweater. It's 2 by Vince Camuto, size large. So it's a good size. It's like a kind of a neon green, so that's trending. And it's just like a thick kind of cable knit sweater. So that's number 1. Sorry if my hair is all mess. This is a Cartonier jacket from Anthropologie, size 6. It's got little epaulets. It's kind of like a speckled color. Very cute. This is super cute. And it looks to be in great condition. So that's number 2. This looks like a dress. Oh, this is Calvin Klein. I love selling Calvin Klein. The career kind of dresses sell really quickly for me for about $25 usually. So it's black, one shoulder. That's really pretty. This is a size 8. So that's really pretty. It's got a side zipper. Just a nice little shift dress. This is a skirt, brand new with tags from Torrid. So retail was $38.50 and it's a size 4, which I think is a 4X. So that's really good. I like to have plus size in my closet. I hope you can see it all. Yeah, so it's just a cream lace skirt with a lining. That's really pretty and it's brand new. And this is Maeve from Anthropologie. This is actually really cute. This is US size 4, so it's too small for me, but it's a little Swiss dot shirt with elastic sleeves and a scalloped hem. So that's 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far I think it looks pretty good. It's not quite as amazing as I was hoping for, but I think it'll all sell pretty well, and the Deal Queen knows what's up. So I trust her. So I'm gonna list everything as quickly as possible, and then as soon as everything sells, I'll try to make a recap video to tell you how much I earned on everything and what my total profit was. So thanks for watching this quick little video. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Check out my Poshmark closet. It'll be linked down below. And give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Bye.